Have you noticed your hips feeling tighter, your legs heavier, or your balance not quite what it used to be? If you're over 60, this may not just be getting older. It could be a silent warning sign that your hip mobility and circulation are slowly declining. And here's the surprising part. Many older adults unknowingly make one simple daily mistake that accelerates this process, a mistake that can quietly weaken the hips, slow blood flow to the legs, and increase stiffness day after day. But the good news? A few gentle, simple movements can help wake those muscles back up, improve circulation, and help your hips feel more stable again. And you don't need a gym. You don't need complicated workouts. You don't even need to push your body hard. Just the right kind of movement. You see, after the age of 50, the hips become one of the most important joints in the entire body. They control how we walk, how we stand up, how we balance ourselves. They also play a major role in how well blood circulates through the lower body. But here's what many people don't realize. When the hips stop moving properly, circulation in the legs can slow down. And that can lead to common problems many seniors quietly struggle with. Stiffness in the lower back, tightness in the hips, heavy or tired legs, poor balance, and difficulty getting up from chairs. Sometimes people think the solution is walking more. Walking is wonderful for health, but it doesn't fully activate the muscles around the hips. In fact, if the hips are already tight, walking alone may not correct the real issue. And there's another problem. Many older adults spend long periods sitting during the day. Sitting while watching television. Sitting while reading. Sitting while using the phone. Over time, this position slowly switches off the muscles around the hips. The hip flexors shorten. The glutes weaken, and circulation through the pelvis and legs can gradually slow. The body becomes stiff. Movements that once felt effortless suddenly feel harder. Standing up takes more effort. Walking feels slower, and balance becomes less reliable. But here is something important to remember. The body is incredibly adaptable, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. With the right kind of movement, the hips can become more flexible again. Blood flow can improve, and everyday activities can begin to feel easier. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 simple exercises designed specifically for adults over 50. These movements are gentle, safe, and designed to support healthy hips and circulation. Most of them can even be done at home, with no equipment. But before we get to the exercises themselves, there's one very common daily habit that may be quietly weakening your hips without you realizing it. And once you understand this mistake, everything about hip health starts to make a lot more sense. Before we look at the exercises, it helps to understand why the hips and circulation tend to decline after the age of 50. Because once you understand the cause, the solution becomes much clearer. As we age, the body naturally begins to lose a small amount of muscle every year. This process is often called age-related muscle loss. It happens slowly, so slowly that many people don't notice it at first. But the muscles around the hips are especially vulnerable. These include the glutes, the hip flexors, and the deep stabilizing muscles that keep the pelvis steady when we move. When these muscles become weaker or inactive, several things begin to happen. First, the hips start to feel tighter. This happens because certain muscles shorten from long periods of sitting. At the same time, other muscles become weaker from lack of use. Second, circulation in the lower body can slow down. The muscles in your legs and hips actually help pump blood back toward the heart. When those muscles are inactive, blood flow may become less efficient. This can lead to feelings many older adults describe: heavy legs, cold feet, mild swelling in the ankles, or stiffness after sitting too long. Now here's where the big daily mistake often appears. Many people believe that walking alone is enough to keep the hips strong. Walking is excellent for heart health. It helps maintain mobility. It supports overall well-being. But walking mainly moves the body forward and backward. The hips, however, are designed to move in many directions. Sideways, rotationally, up and down. Without those movements, several important hip muscles remain underused. Over time, they grow weaker. And when the glutes and hip stabilizers weaken, the body often begins to compensate. The lower back may take on more work. The knees may absorb more pressure. Balance may feel less stable. Another common mistake is avoiding hip movement altogether because of stiffness. Many seniors feel tightness and think they should move less. But gentle, controlled movement is exactly what the hips need. When muscles move, they encourage blood flow. They help lubricate the joints. They signal the nervous system to maintain strength and coordination. In simple terms, movement keeps the body communicating with itself. Without it, the hips can become stiff, weak, and less responsive. There is also a circulation factor that often goes unnoticed. When we sit for long periods, the hips remain bent at a 90-degree angle. In that position, the muscles that normally assist blood circulation are mostly inactive. Over hours and days, this inactivity can contribute to reduced blood flow in the lower body. This is why many health professionals now encourage frequent gentle movement during the day, especially for adults over 60. Even small movements can activate the muscles that help circulation. The encouraging part is this. The hips respond very well to gentle exercise. You don't need intense workouts. You don't need heavy weights. What the hips really need are simple movements that wake the muscles back up. Movements that encourage flexibility. Movements that stimulate circulation. And movements that strengthen the muscles responsible for balance and stability. In the next part, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple exercises designed specifically for adults over 50. These movements are safe, practical, and easy to perform at home. Many physical therapists recommend similar movements to help support hip health and circulation. And the best part? Most of these exercises take just a few minutes a day. But when done consistently, they can make a noticeable difference in how the hips and legs feel. Let's begin with the first exercise.